Hi guys, this festive season I am going to show you how to make a very simple banana bread for your family. These are the ingredients that you're going to need, so go ahead and put those together. For starters, we are going to melt half a cup of butter. Then we are going to mash 3 ripe bananas. Once the bananas are ready, we're going to go ahead and add our melted butter, half a cup of sugar, and half a cup of brown sugar. Then we will add 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, and mix properly until all the ingredients are well incorporated. For you to have a fluffy cake, you need to give your flour air. So we are going to put together our flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Then we are going to mix together the flour with all the other dry ingredients using a fork until they are all well mixed together. If you pour your flour and your baking powder directly into the wet ingredients, chances are that your baking powder and your baking soda are not going to spread properly or mix properly into the batter. So you're going to have a bread or a cake that is uneven. So you need to ensure that your baking powder and baking soda are well spread and well incorporated into the flour so that your cake or your bread rises evenly. So we are going to mix that up, and you don't put all the flour together at once. You put it in bits. So you put a bit, mix into the wet ingredients, and then put the other bit and continue mixing until all the flour is mixed into the batter. And then when you're using a whisk, you can have the butter pass through the whisk spaces so that you can also make the bread or the cake more airy. Once we are done mixing the butter, we are going to put it in a baking dish. I had already lined this one and put a bit of butter so that it doesn't stick. And then this is optional. You can add raisins or chocolate chips or even seeds to your bread. You can just adjust to your liking. So for me, I am adding raisins, and then I will do the same thing at the top. So we are going to bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 55 minutes. And after that, this is how it turned out. You can see that it is evenly baked and it has risen evenly. And it just looks amazing. Hey, this festive season, don't let it pass and you say, I don't know how to bake, or I have not learned how to bake anything in 2025. Here is a very simple thing that you can bake. And for the top, just to make it shinier, I didn't have my brush, so I am just spreading a bit of butter on top, and this makes the raisins and just the whole bread stroke cake shiny. And once you cut, this is how it looks on the inside. And you can have it with a very hot cup of milk and relax this festive season. So go ahead and try this and do let me know how it turns out in the comment section. Happy holidays!